So next topic, center of gravity using multiple integrals. So to find the center of gravity, we need a mass of a lamina. Mass of a lamina with a continuous density function delta of xy in a region R is given by m is equal to double integral over R delta of xy dA. So delta of xy is the density function. So if you find the mass, center of gravity is x bar y bar, the coordinates x bar y bar, where x bar is double integral over R x into delta of xy dA by double integral over R delta of xy dA. Double integral over R delta of xy dA is m. So 1 by m double integral over R x into delta of xy dA. And y bar is double integral over R y delta of xy dA by double integral over R delta of xy. It is 1 by m double integral y delta xy dA. So find the center of gravity of the triangular lamina with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1. Density function is xy. So here the triangle is this one, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1. Okay, delta of xy is xy. Then here also we have to consider vertical lines at the extreme points because to evaluate the double integral. First of all, we are finding the mass, double integral over R delta of xy. So for that, vertical lines at the extreme points x from 0 to 1. Vertical strip inside the region, the points, the lower point is y is equal to 0. Uppermost point is on this line. So we need to find the equation of this line. What is the equation of line joining 0, 1 and 1, 0? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. So we get x plus y is equal to 1. So y is 1 minus x. So first of all, integrating with respect to y square by 2, substituting the limit, and we get 1 by 24. And x bar is 1 by m double integral over R x into delta of xy. So 1 by 24 is 24. Limits also the same, x from 0 to 1, y from 0 to 1 minus x. X into xy cheyanane ullu. So simplifying, you get 2 by 5. And what is y bar? Y bar is also 1 by m double integral over R y delta of xy dA. It is 24 into same limiter. Simplifying, you get 2 by 5. Center of gravity is 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Next is centroid of a region R. What is a centroid? Centroid means if it is a triangular region, centroid is a point which is equal distance from its every point. That's centroid. It is the middle point in the paragraph. Okay, it is the middle point of the region. So x bar is double integral over R x dA by double integral dA. Or it is double integral over dA is area. So 1 by area into double integral over R x dA. Y bar is the y coordinate of the centroid is double integral over R y dA by double integral over R dA. It is 1 by area double integral over R y dA. So there is a question, find the centroid of a semicircular upper semicircular area x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is the upper semicircle. How will you find the centroid? What is the area? Area is pi a square by 2, pi r square by 2. Pi r square. So it is a semicircle, so pi r square by 2. X bar is 1 by a double integral over R x dA. So since it is a circle, using polar coordinates, theta is from 0 to pi because two quadrants are covering. R from 0 to a. Simplifying, you get x bar as 0. Or otherwise we can consider this as, if it is the area region, the centroid will be along the y axis. Okay, correct? Centroid will be, centroid is a point. Our point in the point we balance this region. So this centroid will be along y axis. So x coordinate is 0, x bar is 0. Then y bar is 1 by area, same limiter, integrating 4a by 3 pi. So 0, 4a by 3 pi is the centroid.